For the diagnosis of the ventilator associated pneumonia, there is a score, and the name of the score is what? CPIS. That is the clinical pulmonary infection score, which like a sort of a good scoring to diagnose of the VAP. So what you have in this is that these are the parameters which you look out: temperature, leukocytosis, tracheal aspirate, oxygenation, chest radiograph, progressive radiological progression, okay, culture of the tracheal aspirate, and the culture gram stain discordance. So in this, what you have certain scorings: score 0, score 1, and score 2. One by one, we'll look out that what are the various scores given up at which particular values. So regarding the temperature, that is, if it is more than or equal to 36.5 degree, this is termed as score 0 itself. And if it is less than or equal to 38.4, this is also score 0. Means the temperature is between this particular range, 36.5 to 38.4. This is score 0, no problem. Then the score 1 is what? More than equal to 38.5 degree, okay, or less than equal to 38.9 degree centigrade. This is termed as what? Score 1. Means more than this 38.5 and less than 38.9. So the range is 38.5 to 38.9 degree centigrade. This is termed as score 1. Then you have the score 2, and the score 2 is what? Score 2 is more than or equal to 39 degree centigrade. Okay, this is one of the extremes for the score 2. And another of the thing is, if it is less than equal to 36.4, that is also a problem. Okay. So less than or equal to 36.4 degree centigrade or more than equal to 39 degree, they give the patient which particular score? Score 2. Fine. This is first point. Now coming to the second point, that is the leukocytosis. In the leukocytosis, if the count is between 4,000 to 11,000, that is given up score 0. Then you have the score 1, that is less than 4,000 or more than 12,000. This is also a problem, and this can also be giving a scoring, that is a score 1. Fine. Then you have this tracheal aspirate, that is the score 0, none. Obviously, no tracheal aspirate though, score 0. If it is a non purulent one, score 1. If it is purulent one, then it is termed as what? Score 2. Fine. Then you have the oxygenation, that is the ratio of PaO2 and FiO2. This is termed as oxygenation. And if it is more than 250 or if it is a ARDS stuff, still you will give the score what? 0. Okay. It will not be termed as like contributing towards the VAP. But if this ratio turns out to be less than or equal to 250 and there is no ARDS, then this particular thing signifies that it is moving towards what? VAP. Okay. Then you have this regarding the chest radiograph. If there is no opacity, 0. Diffuse or patchy opacity, score 1. Or a localized opacity, if it is there, then it is score 2. Fine. After that, you have this progressive radiological progression. Okay. If there is no, that is score 0. And if there is a radiological progression, immediately you will give what? The score 2. Then you have the culture of the tracheal aspirate. In the culture, if no growth is seen or a light growth is seen, then the score given is 0. Okay. And if it is a moderate to heavy growth, the score given is 1. And for this, it is not defined. For the culture and gram stain discordance, means if the culture is growing something else and the gram stain is showing something else, that means this is contamination. So score 0. Okay. And if you are getting the same thing in the gram stain also and in the culture also, you will give that particular patient what? The score 1. Okay. So this is termed as CPI score, and this is one of the modality to diagnose of the VAP, which is termed as ventilator associated pneumonia. It is being said that if this particular score of CPIS is more than 6 or sometimes equal to 6 also, they say that is more diagnosing of what? That is this particular VAP. So CPI score more than 6 is diagnostic of, in fact, I can't say like fully, but yes, it is, I should say, suggestive of VAP, that is the ventilator associated pneumonia. This is the CPIS scoring which is being done, and more than 6 is like telling up that it might be what? It might be VAP. Okay, so this particular thing involves up all these parameters, that is temperature, leukocytosis, tracheal aspirate, oxygenation, chest radiograph, progressive damage, that is radiological progression, culture of the tracheal aspirate which is coming off, or culture gram stain discordance. This is regarding the VAP diagnosis. Okay.
सही हुआ सर ये?
अच्छा हुआ, कैसे लगा?
बढ़िया है सर, देखने में सही लग रहा है। ऐसे ही किया कर तू।
आवाज से ये
हम्म।
अरे